Namaskar, myself Ved Pathi Tiwari, Principal of Aristotle Bird School. Now I am here at the gate of Aristotle Bird School, as the school has to be inspected virtually as per instruction of CBSE for the upgradation of school up to senior secondary level. First I would like to introduce about the school, that this school has been founded in the year 2017, and in the year 2019 it has got its affiliation from the CBSE board up to secondary level, and now we are proceeding the virtual inspection for the school. This is our reception area. Inside the account section is here, and we have also recruited here. This is my office, and here we have installed around 32 cameras. Umesh, please help. 32 cameras for permanent 24 hours surveillance of the students and the school. Now we are at ground floor area, and at this floor we have accommodated from class nursery to second students. At this ground floor we have assembly area where we can accommodate around 500 students. If the students increases, then we can accommodate for the assembly outside of this ground floor. Where junior class students perform their activities, and the morning assembly is also performed at this stage. This is our kindergarten play area, where the kids of our junior section, primary section and the pre-primary section, they are segregated to play here. This is class first alpha. All the classes are developed very aesthetically to create the interest among the students. class is well decorated and well painted here, and all the classes are air conditioned. Cameras are also installed here, and digital External classroom is also available. This is our class first beta. We have two sections of class first here in our school. This class is also digitally painted, aesthetically developed, and camera is also installed to proper surveillance of the students. This is UKG beta. Of the students from class nursery to second, students after completing their schooling, they exit from this door. This is class nursery alpha. LKG alpha. From class nursery to second, all the classes are well decorated. This class is UKG alpha. All the classes from nursery to UKG in first and second, they are well maintained, aesthetically maintained, and all the classes have the facility of the bagless system is also provided for the students. We don't ask the students to keep the bags with them in these schools. And this is the drinking water facility and the toilets for pre-primary section. At this ground floor we have the toilets. For girls, toilet is here. Toilet for the pre-primary section. Here we have maintained the height of the urinals for the pre-primary section students. Now we are at first floor. At this floor we have classes 2nd to 6th, library and infirmary. So now let's first look at, in this infirmary we can accommodate three students in case of emergency, and we can provide them first aid, immediate first aid. Now just look at this. This is our second class. We have aesthetically developed our classes with the different color codes of the furniture. All the classes are well maintained and air conditioned. Digitally infrastructure we have in the classes. This is our second class. We have developed classes, aesthetically developed our classes. We have also digital infrastructure. At the back side of the class, we have the thumbprint board. There the students create their art and craft and paste them over. This is our third class section. In all the classes, we have a different color furniture, and the back side there is also the thumbprint boards. In all the classes, we have different type of color furniture, and digital infrastructure. We have extra knobs, digital modes, ACs, and cameras are also installed to have 24 hours surveillance of the students. And at the back side of the classroom, we have also digital thumbprint boards where the students can create their craft work and paste them over. Now we are at here, the first floor toilet for the girls. Now we have a look for the girls' toilet inside. Here the hand wash facilities. Hand wash is there, and Toilets also facilitates for the physically challenged students. Now we are at boys toilet at first floor. Now let's look inside of the toilet. Separate urinals are also having the separator here. Here, urinals are also having separator here. Drinking water facility, we have water cooler here. In all the fellow floors, we have water cooler. Class 5th, you can see the infrastructure of class 5th here. Different furniture. Now we are at class 6 alpha. In all the classes here, we are also providing online classes to our students through Google Meet, Google Classroom, Meet, and Team also.
Basically at lower level, where people are not very educated and people are not aware of many things. At those places, we use basically panchayat system. Okay, so there we have sarpanch, then there are punches, as you can see on our blackboard. So punches are the member of that panchayat, okay, and the sarpanch is the president. So if you are having any problem regarding water storage or water shortage, or if you want your village road to connect, which are very important, that what happens after people elect their representatives. Suppose if there is one monitor, if I have to, like there are 4 students in your class who wants to be a monitor, so how we will basically shortlist, or how we will decide who will become the monitor. So what we will do is we will have this election kind of thing, so where every student from this class will elect.
In all the floors, we have staff rooms for the staff that has separate toilets for the staff, and you can see the infrastructure of the staff. Here is the second toilet. Now we are at class 6 beta, that is the different furniture that are good. In all the floors, we have around 4 to 5 fire extinguisher to keep safety of the school, and we have here around library of around 3,600 books that has textbooks, reference books, story books, and various types of encyclopedia. Access and register of the library. Student book issue register. Access and register of the library. And teacher book issue register. Student book issue register 1 and student book issue register 2. We have veteran librarian Vidhi Singh. She is studying from Jamia. Please proceed for the inspection of the library.
First of all, there is our kindergarten section. In this section, we have every types of books, such as we have nursery collection here, activity books, environmental studies, art and craft, and also some textbooks we have in the kindergarten section. Now let us move to our next section, that is for the primary section from class 1 to 4. In this section, we have some NCERTs and textbooks of every subject which is studied in our school, and from now onwards, we have a section of class 5 to 8. Similar like class 1 to 4, we have NCERT books and other some textbooks of 8 subjects: English, social science, science, Sanskrit and Hindi. And here we have another section for class 9 to 12. There we have this collection of for class 9 to 10 of every subject that is going to be studied in the school. Here we have the section of moral values also, 3 layers of computer section, and we have general knowledge collections also. And this section is for our reading section. This block contains reference books, in which we have some dictionaries, encyclopedias, and some sample books that are used to be for reference purposes. And in this section, we have story books for kids up to primary and secondary section. And this section contains literature. The students or teachers who are interested in literature can have a look on them. Thank you.
And this is complete overview from the first floor. And down the first floor we have assembly section area here. In assembly section we can accommodate around 500 students here. If the students exceed over, then we can accommodate outside of the assembly area. This is our computer lab. This is our computer lab. We have around 30 computers with the latest technology of Windows 10 here. Here from this board, the teacher also instructs the students while they are needed to get the instructions about the computers, technology. Chemistry lab for the senior secondary section. We have aesthetically developed our chemistry lab, and here Mr. Mohit Kumar, here are PGT chemistry. Now can you proceed for the virtual instruction? Let them show it about.
These are the instruments, and these are the instruments, indicators, test tubes, and other instruments, reagent bottles, beakers, etc. And here in this desk, we just record or store the record files of class 12th, 11th, 10th, and 9th. These are the working tables. These are the charts made by the students of Aristotle World School. And here it is a sample weighing area. This is a sample weighing area where the students weigh the samples taken for experiment. These are the working tables. Here we have set up a small titration procedure. The burette stand, burette conical flask, and the sprit lamp with wire gauge, measuring flask. So this is a small sample of titration, and here we have stored the commonly used chemicals like concentrated HCl, sulfuric acid, concentrated HCl, sulfuric acid, HNO3, etc., acetic acid. So these are the commonly used chemicals we have stored here, and here we set up the commonly used instruments like burette, conical flask, burette stand, squeezing bottles, and beaker, Petri dish, crucible dish, and test tube stand. And here we have stored the pipette, round bottom flask, and test tube holder, tongs, spatula, and measuring flask, etc. For the cleaning of these instruments, the students have a tap water supply here. With the help of this tap water supply, they can clean or wash their instruments for the experiments. And after the experiment, they can also do the same work and store them. So these are the working tables for the students. Extra material we have just stored there, and we tag the names also so that students can clearly or easily identify where the given instruments are there. For example, the cleaning brushes are in this box, the reagent bottles are in this box, the other test tube holders, test tubes, a spatula, flask, and beaker are there. Just a few examples. Similarly, we have here litmus paper, droppers, petri dish, glass box, and spirit lamp. Rarely used chemicals we just stored here. So these are the rarely used chemicals or costly chemicals which students can get with the help of either the lab assistant or with the help of me. Okay, thank you very much. For the students, extra material to be stored in these decks, and we clearly paste the names of these extra materials like cleaning brushes are there for the students, and test tube holders are stored in this box, and spatula stored in this box, and like this we clearly tag all the names of the extra material which are stored there, so that students can clearly identify the material and take out from there easily.
This is our biology lab. In lieu of absence of our biology teacher, Mr. Rajat Mishra is here. He is our lab assistant. And Mr. Rajat, please explore.
Sure. This is our zoology specimen area. This is a skeleton system. And this is botany specimen area. This is microscope, and all microscopes are human muscular, human skin, human teeth, human excretory system, human ear, human eye, human liver, human lung, human kidney, and human heart.
physics lab for the senior secondary classes. And Mr. Ashish Doleria is here, our PGT Physics. Mr. Ashish, please proceed for the virtual inspection.
This is our physics lab, specially designed for senior secondary classes, and here are the instruments which used to complete the practical for class 12 and 11th. Here is transistor characteristic apparatus, ammeter, voltmeter, resistance box, Lagrange cell, PN junction diode, rheostat, Daniell cell, rechargeable battery, and on this table we are having physical balance, sonometer. This side we are having the bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, and some magnetic compasses. As well, we are having vernier calipers. And this side we are having the apparatus, simple pendulum, stopwatch, and here on this table is all the practicals of ray optics can be done here. This is optical bench. We are having the 3 sets of optical bench with all kind of lenses, and all the lenses are optically true. We are having convex lens, concave mirror, convex mirror, prism, rectangular glass slab, and the plane mirror. And we are having the posters of some famous physicists, like Indian physicists. Some of them are Scottish, some of them are English. So these all works for the student as a learning aid.
This is our indoor sports arena as well as the physical education exposure laboratory also is also here. So we have Mr. Kapil Chaudhary, PGT Physical Education. So Mr. Kapil, please proceed for the virtual inspection.
बेसिकली हमारे पास इंडोर और आउटडोर दोनों फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल है, जिसमें इंडोर के अंदर हमारे पास 3 गेम्स की फैसिलिटी है। इसमें पहला हमारा टेबल टेनिस, इसके 2 टेबल्स हमारे पास प्रॉपर रैकेट्स और बॉल्स अवेलेबल हैं। उसके बाद हमारा जो है चेस है, जो हम इंडोर में यूज़ करते हैं। उसके बाद हमारा जो है कैरम, बाकी हमारे फ्लैग्स हैं जो हमने रूम के चारों तरफ लगाए हुए हैं। पहला बेसिकली खो-खो का फ्लैग्स है, जिससे हम बच्चों को जो है एक प्रैक्टिकल, जैसे बताया जाता है प्रैक्टिकली हम इसके ऊपर बताते हैं, क्योंकि बुक्स के अंदर जो है साइज़ बहुत छोटा होता है। छोटी क्लासेज हैं, अभी तक 10th क्लास तक है, तो उनके पास ये सब मटेरियल अवेलेबल नहीं होता है। तो यहाँ पे वो ईजिली आके देख लेते हैं। जैसे बैडमिंटन, हम आउटडोर में बैडमिंटन भी यूज़ करते हैं। बैडमिंटन की फैसिलिटी है हमारे पास, पूरी सीमेंटेड कोर्ट है हमारे पास। तो बैडमिंटन के बारे में क्या होता है, कैसे उसका फील्ड है, रैकेट एक्चुअल में किस साइज़ का होना चाहिए, शटल किस साइज़ की होनी चाहिए, नेट हाइट क्या होनी चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे ईजिली बच्चे उस चीज़ को देख सकते हैं। तीसरा हमारा एथलेटिक्स है, जिसमें हम बच्चों की प्रैक्टिस भी कराते हैं एथलेटिक्स की। शॉर्टपुट नीचे रखे आप देख सकते हैं, शॉर्टपुट है, डिस्कस थ्रो है, क्लैपर कैसे यूज़ किया जाता है, क्लैपर बताया जाता है स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे, और पूरा जो ट्रैक है पूरे ट्रैक के बारे में हम बच्चों को यहाँ बताते हैं कि कैसे क्या चेक मार्क होता है, कहाँ पे हडल्स लगाए जाते हैं हडल रेस में, कहाँ पे आपकी बैटन चेंज होगी। अगर आप रिले रेस के लिए दौड़ रहे हैं, 400 मीटर दौड़ रहे हैं तो क्या स्ट्राइकर्स रहेंगे, 200 मीटर दौड़ रहे हैं तो क्या स्टार्ट कहाँ से लेंगे, क्या स्ट्राइकर होगा, 10,000 मीटर, 1,000 मीटर, 3,000 मीटर, 5,000 मीटर, जो भी रेस होती है वो हम पूरा इस पे ट्रैक पे बच्चों को समझा देते हैं। का फ्लैक्स है जिसमें तीनों एज ग्रुप के बारे में हमने नीचे मेंशन किया हुआ है, जैसे अंडर 14, 17, 19 बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, क्या मेजरमेंट रहती है, बॉयज़ की क्या रहती है, गर्ल्स की क्या रहती है। आउटडोर में क्योंकि हमें कबड्डी की टीम तैयार करते हैं अपनी, तो उसके लिए हमें उन्हें अगर पहले समझाना होता है तो हम यहाँ पे उस फ्लैक्स के जरिए बच्चों को समझा देते हैं कि अंडर 14 है, अगर बॉयज़ गर्ल्स है तो उनका 11/8 मीटर का कोर्ट रहता है। अंडर 19 है तो बॉयज़ के लिए अलग कोर्ट रहता है, गर्ल्स के लिए अलग कोर्ट रहता है। तो वो सब हम यहाँ पे पहले उन्हें एक थ्योरेटिकल नॉलेज देते हैं ताकि ग्राउंड पे जाने से पहले बच्चे को पता हो कि वो ग्राउंड पे किस पोजीशन में एक्चुअल में खड़े हैं। तो ये
class students. This lab is facilitate the students from class 6 to 10. And this is a mathematics lab to facilitate the students of mathematics about from class 6 to 10th. And Mr. Kapil Kumar, PGT Mathematics. This is our toilet and drinking water facility for the first floor students. We have arranged RO water system in all the floors to ensure this for the students clean water and sanitary conditions, and toilet for the girl. wire. And this is class 10th alpha. Class 9th alpha.
Where XY is a statement where base OM and OP stand on it. So look at the figure. On line XY, we have three angles. First is XOM, second is MOP, then third one is MOY. So first, write down XOM plus angle MOP plus angle MOY, not MOY, angle POY, which is equal to 180 degree, because sum of linear middle angle is equal to 180 degree. So now look at the figure. So angle XOM is equal we can write angle XOM in place of B. And
Class 6 alpha. And this is the back side of the school. Here we have two grounds. One is here upper ground. Here we have two volleyball courts. Here at lower ground of the school. This ground facilitates the students to play shot put here, and we have facility of playing girls kabaddi and boys kabaddi is over there. Now east side boundary wall. And we have here the kindergarten play area. Outdoor activities we are facilitating with children.
Sir,
We have 40 kVA generator for the power backup facility of this school. Now we are at the east side of the building, east side boundary wall. This boundary wall height is around 10 feet and that is covered with wire web at the back side, and this boundary wall is also having the greenery with the ficus plant. Now and this is the north side boundary wall. This side also we have around 10 feet height, and that is fully covered with the greenery of ficus plant. Now this is the north side boundary wall of this school, and this is the height of this boundary wall is, this is pakka boundary wall of the school, and this is the pakka boundary wall that is covered with height of this boundary wall is around 10 feet, and which is wire webbed at the height and fully covered with the greenery of ficus plant. Now I am moving the upper side of the ground, north side boundary wall.